Don't let your past mistakes dictate your future successes. Oh, that's a word. My God.
Hey, God, I thank you.
What's good in the hood? It's your girl Gavyn here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Gavyn and I do a lot of things like makeup and fashion and travel. If you read the title correctly, then you know today is Makeup Monday and I'm doing a Makeup Monday tutorial. Last week was an experiment. Clearly, we need some more practice. So I am following a new tutorial today. I found this tutorial, Warm Caramel Mocha, by this girl, Christen. It looks beautiful. Even her background is stunning. Speaking of backgrounds, I changed mine up a bit. I also changed my lens, so we got a little bit of blurriness, and you know, I'm trying to look like the pros as we get better, you know. Pray for me. If you're excited for a new Makeup Monday, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. For those of you guys that responded to my poll on Instagram, thank you for your honesty. I was worried I wasn't gonna get this out to you guys in time, but clearly I did. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can always find that somewhere down here. Also linked in the description box below. Also, a lot of the products I use are products that I've had for a while, but they're still in stock. If you're interested in grabbing anything that I'm using to add to your makeup arsenal, those will also be linked in the description box below. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, girl, what you got for me? Not this Starbucks cup. Girl.
Boy, if you don't...
For the brows, I'm going to be using the Brow MVP.
Brows. Let me see how she does it.
So I'm going to film it.
Oh, this is it's some trail mix. You want some? Look at the flick of that wrist. Woo.
Look at the flick of that wrist.
Okay, brows. Sort of done.
Shine Control
Primer.
Which is great because
Where are we priming?
now,
Oh, well, I already have foundation on, so I beat you to it. Okay, that looks like a very light brown. So, you know, I have my Jaclyn Hill palette. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I gotta stop eating. Your girl is hungry, okay? I'm sorry. And the Jaclyn Hill palette is linked in the description box because it is still available. Actually, I think this color matches. So based on that color that she's using, if you have this palette, we're gonna use this one. Looks pretty close to it. It also looks close to my skin tone, so, oh yeah, you can kind of see it. Bam. Does she wing it? Wait, did I fast forward? I'm sorry. How did we get there? What happened? We were on eyes.
Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie.
It's black. So we're back in here. That was, you know you can edit that out, right? Oh, wait. Same color. Under lower part of lash line. Oh, I'll use this one because I've used it before. And also, you know, my favorite new tool, my brush cleaner, which is down there as well in the description box. I'm gonna use it to just wipe off whatever residual makeup was on here earlier from the other day on the lower lash line. You can't even really see it, but I trust you, Christen, I guess. I think she's pointing to, it looks kind of like a honey color. I'm just gonna take this brush. It's fluffy and a little narrow and tapered. I think she got like a honey color, so I might go into this one because of my skin tone. I'm gonna try this one though. I'll try this one. Can you see that? Let's do the other yellow that I pointed at, the darker one. At least I know that one shows up because we've used it before. Okay, what's next? But I can't see it. Wait. Okay, we'll put it on the lower lash line even though it doesn't show up. They need to make a yellow honey gold color that's suitable for brown skin tones that isn't like a shimmery metallic gold. Can y'all see that? What's next?
Next, I'm going to take Hide and Drip, which are these two shades right here.
Okay, so she's using, it looked like she's mixing together two light browns. I can't say pick a brown because all of the colors we're picking are brown, sis. I'm sorry. Okay, so if you have this palette or anything similar, you're gonna wanna use this kind of color right here. It's kind of got a little bit of a red tone to it. Okay, so she took that and she went in the corner, in the crease. But she still wanted to see that other color that we had, which I think was on the first brush that we used. So I'm gonna just blend those two together again so we don't have any harsh lines. So far it just looks like I have one color on my eye. It's fine. Dark brown. Now you can just pick a dark brown, I feel like, but I'm gonna be specific. I'm going to pick up, I think this one. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, there we go. Blend. Okay, that's kind of pretty. So she said focus on the outer, and she kind of drug it in this way, like towards the upper, like this. Actually, it doesn't look too bad, but you can't see that other color on the outside, so that lightest color that we started with, I'm just gonna pick it up. We've gone rogue, okay? We're doing our own thing. And I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush to kind of blend the two together just a little bit. What's next? So, oh, she did it anyway. I didn't even notice that. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown because she has it like a little bit lower on her lid. And I feel like I should have that like that too. What's next? Okay, so that color looked like a darkish, it actually kind of looks like this one right here. So just give yourself a black eye. Actually, this doesn't look bad. Well, not what I just did, but in general.
Barely.
Okay, fluffy brush, a little bit more of that lightest shade and buff it out to blend those edges. That's what she said, so I'm gonna follow the girl. Why are there more steps? Oh, well, I guess the lid. Okay, what color? We're putting on just in that one area, and I'm gonna use one of my pack it on brushes, like the little kind of flat ones. And it was like that yellow, maybe a little bit of the yellow. How about that? Yeah, that looks very close to what she did. Okay. I don't know why I'm holding my brush like this. That was weird. Ooh, okay, this looks pretty.
That's it.
What's next? Cause we out here looking fine. Highlight. Something real light. I'm gonna use one of the lightest colors in here that's got a little shimmer. That one.
2 seconds later.
That looks white. You know what? I changed my mind. Don't use that color. I was wrong. Let's take, for the highlight, this one. Yeah, that's better. That is so much better. I wonder if I can fix the inner corner. Should I do it?
Yeah.
I don't hate it. Let me leave it alone. What's next? That's so dark. I feel like it's really dark, but we're following the girl, so let's get some more on the outer V. What is next, Christen? What more do you have for us? Oh, under eye thingies. So we'll take some of that, the pink that we used before one more time, reinforce it, I guess, because we've already done this. I don't know why I'm doing this again. Then we'll take some of that medium red brown and put that under here as well. We're doing good, cousin. We've been killing it, you know? And then we'll take that brown color on the end here. Okay, and then lashes. Lashes are on. Lashes and mascara. I realized I did my lashes preemptively. I don't know if we're doing eyeliner or not, but we'll find out in a second. Okay, so liner over the lash line. What's next? Fun fact, I'm like 5 shades lighter in the winter time, and so now I'm using the right foundation, but it's also the same color as my concealer. Watch. It looks like it's lighter, right? It looks like, you know, we're gonna be good. And then when I blend it out, it's it's like the same color almost. Maybe I didn't pack it on enough earlier. Okay, I lied. It's a little bit lighter.
Face for sure.
Setting powder. Set and brighten under the eye. Okay, so I've got my little powder. Okay. Can you focus on me? There we go. Thank you. Got my bronzer from Iman. And I seem to, oh no, here it is. She did it just to kind of warm her face. I'm using it as well to do the same thing. I'm just kind of using it where my contour would be because it looks like she's not doing her contour. This beat is stunning, actually. What the hell? Okay, a little bit of blush. Pretty, pretty. Yes, it's like the same color almost. I'm using Anastasia of the Beverly Hills Malt Liquid Lipstick. Yes! This look is so fire! We're getting better. We're growing. We're learning. Keep practicing. I did this whole look with basically one palette, and I'm really proud of myself. This looks better than I thought it was gonna turn out, especially because we're working with what we got. You know the mantra. You just gotta work with what you got, cousin. Like, you got this. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this Makeup Monday. If you like this look and this tutorial, make sure you head down to the description box. The link to her video will be down there. This was fabulous. It was a little long-winded, but here we are. We made it. We look fabulous. I hope you guys have a beautiful week. If you're trying any of these beauty tutorials along with me, I would love to see how your beauty looks turned out. So make sure that you're tagging me on Instagram. I would really love to see how you guys are pulling these off or how your makeup look, your makeup journey is going, because you know us cousins gotta struggle together, but we're also gotta grow together. We're getting better. We're getting better, y'all. If you're new to my channel but you love this kind of content, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's probably on this side. I fail every week. Get used to it. I would love to have you in my cousin community, and if you enjoyed it, if you made it all the way through, go ahead and just give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next video. Y'all, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. Y'all, I'm about to be out here looking like a tall glass of mocha frappuccino. You hear me? Okay, I got a little brown shirt on, show a little shoulder. Okay, once I take this off, I can't take it off on camera because it'll pull my wig back. But just imagine luscious locks under here.